You are tuned in to The Hall Report, your number one trusted source for news, trends, and insights in the dump trucking industry. I'm Malcolm Smith, CEO of the National Dump Trucking Association, and I'm here to give you the information you need to stay ahead in business. From updates on major projects to strategies for growth, this is the report that keeps you informed and in control. So let's get to the news that really matters. So, some hot topics in the industry. There's some projects that have been going on that I want to keep you guys abreast to. So, San Antonio, you guys have construction has officially begun on the $1.4 billion Terminal C project in San Antonio International Airport. This is an 832,000 square foot facility. Will include 17 new gates. As part of the airport's $2.5 billion 20-year strategic development initiative designed to accommodate growth in the passenger traffic. So, Hensel Phelps will oversee the construction, which includes a new multi-story ground transportation center. And this is going to need excavation, removing debris, transporting aggregates and concrete for construction, and supporting roadway expansion and parking facility upgrades. So if you're in San Antonio, you got dump trucks, try to be a part of this. The next one is the Gateway Project ground stabilization. So this is a $284 million Gateway project, marks the first construction phase of the $16 billion Hudson River Tunnel Initiative, led by Weeks Marine and Cowie. This effort focuses on ground stabilization for one of the largest infrastructure projects in the U.S. history. So, $16 billion Hudson River Tunnel Initiative, one of the largest infrastructure projects in U.S. history. This is going to need hauling soil and debris from site, delivering aggregates and concrete to support tunnel reinforcement, and it's ideal time to connect with contractors for this multi-year project. So if you guys need work, go and see about this project. It's going to be a long-term project, can really help your company. The next one we have is Skanska, a $435 million Florida hospital project in Fort Myers, Florida. Skanska has secured a $435 million contract to build a 560,000 square foot hospital for Lee Health. This is a state-of-the-art facility, will enhance the region's healthcare infrastructure. So they're gonna need, again, hauling for foundational materials like gravel and sand, and managing waste from the project utilities and site upgrades. So if you have dump trucks that, deal with waste, you can give your services to this project as well as hauling different materials like gravel and sand. Next is Turner Construction, $2 billion Ohio data center. And again, you're gonna hear this word again, data center. Turner Construction is developing a $2 billion data center campus in New Albany, Ohio for Vantage. This project reflects the growing demand for advanced digital infrastructure, with the first building set to open in 2025. So this project's already commenced. If maybe late, but still probably some avenue to really get on it. If you're in Ohio, New Albany, Ohio, $2 billion data center, Turner Construction, I would try to go and get my trucks on there. Site preparation, requiring dirt and material hauling, supporting roads and parking infrastructure upgrades. We have one in Texas, Balfour Beatty, $746 million I-35 rebuild in Texas. So Highway I-35 in Texas, Balfour Beatty has secured the contract to reconstruct 2.5 miles of I-35 through downtown Austin. This initiative will improve traffic flow and lay the groundwork for future light rail connectivity. So gonna need transport of aggregates, asphalt for road construction, hauling demolition debris from old highway structure. So if you're in close to downtown Austin, Balfour Beatty $746 million contract is going on, and they need dump trucks. University of South Carolina Neurological Hospital in Columbia, South Carolina. So with South Carolina DOT. Value $50 million. Scope is it's a 115 bed neurological hospital optimized for intensive care and research. Gonna need hauling foundation materials and support the facility's sustainable goals. So if you're into sustainability, this could be a project that you could get on just from, having your business set up around sustainability. If you haul sustainable materials, you use sustainable fuel, anything that affords a sustainability that, is related to sustainability, green, and, fuel and diesel, and using those different types of, biodegradable materials. Go and seek and try to get your trucks on this project.